Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Rosetta. Hope you all are doing great. Firstly, I would like to thank all my lovely viewers for stopping by my channel. As you can see, here is a cute bottle decor idea and I'm so excited to share this video with you all. It's really an easy DIY project. All you need to do is to just start creating something beautiful. Do not worry about the imperfections and just flow and trust the process. Here's a quick reminder before we begin. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and if you like watching my videos, please consider subscribing guys, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get updates of all my latest videos. And now let's begin. For this project I have used a glass bottle and some acrylic colors. Let us have a look at the colors. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the colors in a palette or any kind of disposable container. Do not mix the colors at once, just pick up a little bit of both the colors each time we load the brush. I will let you know the reason later in the video. And I'm using a flat brush to make flower, and just few strokes the flower is ready. It looks really cute and beautiful. Alright, so the reason why I don't mix both the colors at once, because that way I will get only one shade and there will be no variation in the petals. But when you see a natural flower, you can see variation in colors. So every time I load the brush, I take little bit of both the colors, mix it and use it. That way we get variation in the color of petals. I would like to take a moment to thank all my lovely viewers for showering so much love and support for my other bottle decor ideas. It really makes me feel so much happy and motivates me to bring more ideas for you all. Thank you so much guys once again. So I have also done a second coat on the flowers because I found the color of the first coat to be very light and I wanted a different shade. So I did a second coat after the first coat dried, but that's completely optional. If you're happy with the first coat, you can leave it and move on to the other steps. Now I'm creating tiny white flowers and this looks so cute. The best thing about DIY is we create something with less investment or sometimes with no investment at all, because we use things available at home easily. It beautifies our place and most importantly, it is so special to us because we have created the decor, so it really holds a special place in our hearts. So if you haven't started yet, I would encourage you to create something beautiful today, and trust me, you will feel the happiness. And now, just filling the flowers with tiny strokes of white at the center. If you have noticed, I have colored the first half of the bottle and I will move to the other half of the bottle once this dries so that I'm able to hold the bottle easily while I'm painting. Now I'm taking some green color. I have done the same thing. I have taken green and white in the palette and I have mixed it each time I load the brush and making leaves. You don't have to think where you need to paint the leaves. You just scatter them randomly on the bottle. And look, we have completed the first side of the bottle, and now I'm taking the darker green and just making some stems here and there, not too much, just very few of them. Okay, so this is how the bottle is looking as of now. You can leave it this way if you like it, but I'm gonna paint it all over. I like it this way, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea how it looks when completely painted. So I'm gonna finish the other side as well. If you guys are not following me on Instagram and Facebook. I will share my links in the description box below. You can connect with me on Instagram and Facebook as well. Also, do let me know if you have any video requests. I would love to create them, guys. Few more strokes and few more detailing and we are done. Here is the completed look, guys. I have taken clips in natural light as well as indoor light so you can get a clear idea. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up, share this video as much as you can, and do let me know in the comment section your thoughts about this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you all. Take care of yourselves and stay safe. I will see you soon with more videos. Bye, guys.